Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I want to show you how I made the scrap wood heart shaped pendant decorations for the home or for the bedroom. So I started off by drawing out, freehand drawing a template of a heart shape, and I drew this onto a piece of cardboard. So once I'd refined the shape and I was happy with it, I cut it out with some scissors. So if I ever want to make any more in future, I've got the template ready. So now I picked an old piece of scrap wood, and this is an old piece of shelving, pine shelving, that was in the house when I moved in. So now I'm just drawing around the template and then going over the outline so that it's easier to see when I cut it out with the jigsaw. So then I clamped up the piece of wood and started to cut out the heart shape with the jigsaw. So once that was done, it was now time to router the edges of the heart, just to soften up the edges. So I have a round over bit in my router, and I'm going to go around the front and back and just smooth over all those edges. So now I needed to sand off all that paint. If you want, you could leave any old paint on for a rustic look, but I just wanted to have plain wood. I still wanted them to look rustic, but just a plain wood look. So I just took a sheet sander and just took my time and made sure to get off all that old paint. So there was a few holes in the backs of these hearts, so I just took some of the sawdust from the sander and mixed it with some glue just to act as a filler to fill in these holes. And then I just finished it off by hand sanding all on the tops and bottoms and around the edges. For this I've just used an 80 grit sandpaper. I didn't want to go too smooth because I want these to still have a nice rustic old wood look to them. So for the finish I decided to use some boot polish, and I found that this can be quite a good alternative to regular furniture polish. I applied plenty of the shoe polish with an old rag. And then I buffed them off with a dry rag, and the boot polish gave quite a nice finish. So now I wanted to add some metal rings to the tops of these hearts, and that is for the string that's going to go through to hang them. So I'm just going to drill a couple of pilot holes. And then just screw them into the top. So now for the string, I only had some garden jute string. You could use some thicker string or some rope, which would probably look quite a bit better, but I was just going to use what I had. So I doubled this up and then threaded it through the loop, and then just tied a standard overhand knot at the top. So now all I had to do was hang them somewhere, and these can be great for a bedroom. I decided to put mine on the curtain rail, just at each end in the bedroom, and I think they turned out quite nice. So if you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also comment, and also consider subscribing for more DIY related content. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.